Today, we're exploring a beloved Moroccan sweet called Chebakia. This flower-shaped pastry is crispy, soaked in honey, and sprinkled with sesame seeds. It's a Ramadan favorite across Morocco, known for its unique spices and intricate folding technique. Let's dive into making it. To prepare the dough, gather 500 grams of flour, 100 grams of ground toasted sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ground anise, a pinch of saffron, and a pinch of salt. In a separate bowl, mix 100 milliliters of melted butter, 100 milliliters of olive oil, 1 egg yolk, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and about 150 milliliters of orange blossom water. The vinegar is a secret ingredient that keeps the chebakia crispy for weeks. Start by combining all the dry ingredients in a large bowl. Make a well in the center and pour in the wet mixture. Mix everything together with your hand until it forms a dough. Knead for about 8 minutes until the dough feels smooth and firm, like Play-Doh, not sticky or crumbly. Cover it with plastic wrap and let it rest for 15 minutes. This resting step is essential for easy rolling later on. After letting your dough rest, divide it into 4 equal pieces. Take one piece to work with and keep the others covered to prevent drying. Roll this piece out very thin, about 2 millimeters thick. The thinner you roll, the crispier your chebakia will be. Then, use a pastry cutter or knife to cut the dough into rectangles roughly 5 by 6 centimeters. Now comes the fun part, shaping your chebakia. In each rectangle, make 4 lengthwise cuts, but don't cut all the way through. You'll end up with 5 strips still attached at the top and bottom. Push your index finger through the middle strip and flip it over. Gently pull to create the classic flower or rose shape. It takes practice, but you'll get it. Shape all your pieces before frying. Heat vegetable oil to 170 degrees Celsius or 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Test with a small dough piece. It should sizzle and float immediately. Fry the chebakia in batches for 3 to 4 minutes until deep golden brown. Don't overcrowd the pan. They'll puff up slightly. Remove and drain on paper towels for 10 seconds. Keep them hot for the next step. While your chebakia pastries are still hot, they need a honey bath to get that perfect shine and sweetness inside. Warm 1 kilogram of real honey with 2 tablespoons of orange blossom water in a pot. Be careful not to boil it, just warm it gently. Then, drop the hot chebakia straight into the warm honey. Let them soak for 5 minutes, flipping once to coat both sides evenly. After soaking, place the chebakia on a wire rack. While they're still sticky, sprinkle them generously with toasted sesame seeds. These seeds cling to the honey and add that nutty crunch that Moroccans love. Let the pastries cool completely on the rack. This step helps the honey set and keeps the chebakia crispy and delicious. And there you have it, authentic Moroccan chebakia. Store them in an airtight container and they'll stay perfect for up to 3 weeks. Traditionally, they're served with mint tea and harira soup during Ramadan. But honestly, they're amazing anytime. The blend of anise, cinnamon, saffron, and honey is just incredible. Try making your own and tell me how your first batch turns out. But chebakia is more than just a sweet treat. It's a golden, honey-soaked pastry that holds centuries of Moroccan heritage. Families gather to make chebakia, especially during Ramadan. Folding the dough into intricate flowers, adding a splash of vinegar for crispiness, and finishing with a warm honey bath that makes every bite unforgettable. Thank you for joining me on this delicious journey. Your comments, photos, and support mean the world to me. When you tag me in your chebakia creations, it truly makes my week. This food-loving community is what keeps this channel growing, and I'm grateful for every one of you. If you're new here, welcome. We explore the world's best sweets with a special love for Moroccan flavors. If you enjoyed learning about chebakia and want to discover recipes like selou, griba, and briwat, hit like and subscribe. Turn on notifications so you never miss a new recipe. We post every week. I'll be back soon with another Moroccan delight. Until then, try making chebakia, share it with your family, and enjoy it with a hot glass of mint tea. Drop your questions below and I promise to reply. Take care, stay sweet, and as we say in Morocco, besaha.